Before you settle for just any small toaster oven, it's worth asking yourself a simple question. How much better could your everyday cooking feel with the right one on your countertop? With so many appliances claiming to be the best small toaster oven, it can be surprisingly difficult to know what truly makes one stand out in real day-to-day use. Small toaster ovens have quietly become some of the most relied upon tools in modern kitchens. And in case you're interested, links to the current prices for each of the toaster ovens I'm about to talk about are waiting in the description box below, so you can explore them further whenever you like. Before we dive in, I'm super interested to hear what you honestly use a small toaster oven for most: quick breakfasts, reheating leftovers, or actually cooking full meals, because everyone seems to use them a little differently. Let's begin with the BLACK+DECKER to 1313 SBD 4-slice toaster oven, a model that consistently appears in small toaster ovens reviews for its dependable, everyday versatility. As you start using it, the stainless steel front and compact but confident footprint immediately feel well suited to a busy countertop, offering presence without taking over your space. Inside, the oven comfortably fits 4 slices of bread or a 9-inch pizza, which gives it a surprisingly capable feel for a compact appliance and makes it useful for more than just quick toast. As you cook with it, the 1500-watt heating system provides steady, even heat across multiple cooking modes, including toast, bake, broil, and keep warm. You notice consistent browning and reliable reheating results, which builds trust over time. The 30-minute timer with an audible alert allows you to step away without worry, and the analog controls give you a clear, tactile sense of control that many users find refreshing in an increasingly digital kitchen. Thoughtful interior features further enhance the experience. The included baking pan and broiling rack feel sturdy and well matched to the oven's interior, while the drop-down crumb tray makes cleanup quick and unobtrusive. When you're using the oven regularly, this easy maintenance becomes one of its most quietly appreciated strengths. In everyday use, you can expect this toaster oven to feel like a reliable kitchen partner. It supports simple meals and snacks with consistent results, making it a great small toaster oven choice if you value practicality, ease of use, and predictable performance. Moving on to the next option, the Elite Gourmet ETO 236 Personal Compact 2-Slice Countertop Toaster Oven shifts the focus toward efficiency and personal scale cooking. From the moment you place it on your counter, its compact footprint makes sense for smaller kitchens, dorm rooms, or office spaces. Despite its size, it feels purposeful rather than limited, offering just enough capacity for 2 slices of bread or small baked items. As you begin using it, the adjustable temperature control, reaching up to around 450 degrees Fahrenheit, gives you flexibility for toasting, baking, or broiling. The simple dial controls make the process intuitive, letting you set time and temperature without hesitation. The heating elements warm quickly, which is especially satisfying when you want a fast snack or a light meal without preheating a full-size oven. The included baking pan and wire rack add to its versatility, fitting neatly inside the oven and sliding in and out smoothly. Cleanup remains easy thanks to the removable crumb tray, helping the oven stay fresh even with frequent use. Living with this toaster oven feels streamlined and uncomplicated. You can expect it to handle personal portions efficiently, offering a focused cooking experience that aligns well with minimalist lifestyles. If you've ever used a really compact toaster oven like this, I'm genuinely curious whether you found the smaller size freeing or limiting. Let me know in the comments, because experiences seem to vary a lot. Transitioning now to a more traditional countertop presence, the Cuisinart Custom Classic Toaster Oven Broiler TOB40N brings a sense of familiarity and durability. Its brushed stainless steel exterior feels solid and timeless, while the interior comfortably accommodates 4 slices of toast or small broiling tasks. It's easy to see why it frequently appears in conversations about top-rated small toaster ovens among home cooks. When you start cooking, the 1800 watt power output becomes apparent through efficient preheating and steady temperature control. The dedicated functions for toast, bake, broil, and keep warm allow you to move seamlessly between tasks, and the mechanical controls provide a direct, hands-on cooking experience. This kind of control is especially reassuring when working with foods that benefit from consistent heat. Inside, the nonstick interior coating simplifies cleanup, while the slide-out crumb tray keeps maintenance quick and tidy. The included baking pan and broiling rack feel durable and well-proportioned, reinforcing the sense that this oven is designed for regular use rather than occasional convenience. Over time, you can expect this toaster oven to feel like a dependable extension of your kitchen. It supports a wide range of everyday cooking needs with consistency and clarity, making it a natural fit for anyone who values reliability and straightforward performance. As we move into more modern territory, the Panasonic FlashXpress NBGE 110P immediately distinguishes itself with its unique heating technology. Using dual infrared heating elements positioned at the front and back, this oven eliminates the need for preheating, allowing your food to start cooking almost instantly. This approach is often highlighted in small toaster ovens reviews for its efficiency and speed. The digital control panel offers preset programs for common foods like toast, pizza, and frozen snacks, simplifying your daily decisions. With a maximum temperature of around 500 degrees Fahrenheit, the oven delivers crisp, well-heated results in a compact interior designed specifically to work with infrared heat. You feel the precision as food cooks evenly without constant adjustment. Additional details enhance the experience, including an interior light that lets you check progress without opening the door, and a removable crumb tray that keeps cleanup manageable. The overall design feels purposeful, prioritizing speed, accuracy, and ease of use. In everyday life, you can expect this toaster oven to feel fast and responsive. It's especially appealing when time is limited, but quality still matters, earning its reputation as one of the top-rated small toaster ovens for modern kitchens. Finally, as we arrive at the Breville Mini Smart Oven BOV 450XL, you encounter a compact toaster oven built around precision and thoughtful design. Its brushed stainless steel exterior feels refined, and the interior is carefully engineered to fit 4 slices of toast or a 10-inch pizza without wasted space. This balance of size and capability places it firmly in discussions about the best small toaster oven for users who value performance. As you cook, Breville's Element IQ system becomes the defining feature. 5 independently controlled quartz heating elements, guided by smart algorithms, direct heat exactly where it's needed. With 1800 watts of power and temperatures reaching up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, you experience consistency, even cooking across functions like toast, bake, broil, and reheat. The results feel intentional rather than accidental, whether you're browning toast or baking something delicate. The LCD display and digital controls give you clear feedback and fine control over time and temperature. You can adjust settings with confidence, and the built-in timer with automatic shutoff provides reassurance while you multitask. Near the end of the cooking cycle, the interior oven light turns on automatically, letting you visually confirm doneness without interrupting the process, an elegant touch that subtly improves everyday usability. Living with this toaster oven feels like a quiet upgrade to your routine. You can expect reliable precision, flexibility, and consistency from a compact appliance that doesn't crowd your counter. It's the kind of oven that supports both quick meals and more thoughtful cooking, reinforcing why it's often regarded as a standout in the best small toaster oven conversation. When you step back and look at all 5 options together, you begin to see how each one brings something distinct to the countertop. From fast infrared heating to classic manual controls and smart heat distribution, these appliances collectively represent what people are usually looking for when watching small toaster ovens reviews. As you think about which style fits you best, I'm honestly curious which feature matters most to you: speed, precision, or simplicity. So feel free to share your thoughts below because it really helps guide future comparisons. And while I remember, links to the current prices for each of these toaster ovens are waiting in the description box below if you'd like to explore them further. Whether you're narrowing things down or just starting your research, I hope this walkthrough has given you a clear, grounded understanding of what to expect from today's most capable small toaster ovens and helps you confidently choose the one that feels right for you.